That reminded me of that. Down a little too much. We can go up right here. I like all the fires that we see. You guys gonna try and go around or over? Can't go around it. Can't go over it. Gotta go through it. Okay, dude. Let's just go right through the middle of this bit.
Wow. Look at this fucking angle of it, dude. This is freaking crazy.
Anyone smell anything? Anything rotting?
Anything rotten?
Yeah, like
Corpse?
bears, deers stuck under here rotting.
God damn. Yeah. So we can throw this off right here or go down and cross?
Wow.
I don't know. We're just kind of walking in the riverbed right now. Holy shit. Yeah, this is pretty wild, bro.
This is, wow.
Honestly, just like another day of the AT in New Hampshire.
Yeah.
But
New Hampshire had Helene.
they got the whites, which is pretty close.
All right, we essentially gotta go straight across,
Yeah.
straight up and over.
I'd say, yeah, right here looks good. Oh, I got a little prickly boy on me. Sorry, dude. Got that water full.
Oh, there's a rope over here.
Is it really?
Yeah.
You get up?
I get, yeah, like go up. So I guess the trail's right on the other side.
Yeah, I see it. I think. Is it on the left side?
Yeah,
Yeah.
with knots in it. So I guess that was the original way.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it. It's
Yeah.
hard to tell what looks original and
Yeah.
whatnot here.
Well, I guess now we got the way when we come back through here.
Yeah.
Or a better idea, at least.
Yeah.
It just really puts in perspective how small you are.
I know. That's what I kind of like about it.
Oh, yeah.
It shows you how insignificant you are. Well, you and all your problems, right? I don't know. I just like being. All right, Sammy. What are we doing today?
We're gooning. No. Are we starting on the left wishbone?
Yeah.
And then we'll climb left wishbone, and then we'll traverse down, and then climb the right wishbone. We're gonna camp out. Hopefully cowboy camp. There's really no hopefully. I don't have a tent or a bivvy, so I'm cowboy camping. Yeah. Should be a good day.
Connor, how you feeling about finally doing the alpine climbs or the scrambles?
Dude, I'm so excited. We have been trying to do this for, well, 3 years, 2 years.
Yes, something like that.
I'm good. I had a poop. I got a peanut butter sandwich. We are good to go.
We're hot.
Feeling light AF.
We're hot to go.
We're hot to go. We got
So-
the beat boxes. We're ready, dude. We don't need water. We got a beat box.
Yeah.
Got my Smirnoff pink lemonade. That's already gone.
We got a little thirsty on the way up.
Route starts up this landslide and just gets steeper the further we go up.
See if I can do it.
Nice, dude. It's just like Allen Brook.
Yeah, right?
Okay, yeah, your way looks a lot better.
What way?
The way he's doing?
Yeah.
There you go, get it, son. It's a little cramped, but
You're doing good.
throw your knee on that bitch.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Nice.
Let me get out of your way.
Yeah, there you go.
Nice, Sammy.
Crux. Oh yeah, right there. Yep. Having to traverse over to the left back to the good rock was a little sketchy. Because it was all mossy.
You're home, NASCAR. Oh, what a view. Fucking Noah, the cinematographer. Dang.
Clench your butt cheeks for me. You gotta do.
Come on. Pull up on that tree. There you go.
Nice.
There you go. Get it.
Make sure video's on. Whoa, sorry. Should have told you I was going that way. Thumbnail or caption: hand jammed to waterfall. There you go. That's nice. Oh. Oh. Slick. Oh, this is just so wet. Almost as wet as your mom.
I'm behind you just in case you do fall.
All right.
That way I can break your fall.
Well, thanks. I don't think I'm gonna do it.
What?
I don't think I'm gonna do it.
Really?
Because on the left side, it's just slime. Like you can see the green slime.
Yeah.
Like walk around. Alright. See, can I down climb? Can you down climb? That's the more important thing.
I mean, that if you go right
Yeah.
that way, it looks pretty easy.
Yeah, I'll go that way.
I'm just gonna stay right here in case you fall.
Well, thank you, sir. Oh, yep, the green's on my shoe. On the rock. Now, it's slimy.
Damn.
You see it?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm here too, so you're not falling far. If you fall, we're all falling. We wouldn't fall far, we'd probably fall right there.
Yeah, there's no way we would be able to stumble all the way there.
No. There you go.
Ah.
Walk in.
Oh yeah, like butter, no issue. Hey, don't trust that branch.
I'm not.
I held on to this, but I didn't weight it. Just
Okay. I will not wait it either.
Yeah, if you wanted to go ahead of me, you can.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome in the winter.
I know.
Oh, back myself into a corner. Oh, so sick. There you go.
Fucking just laying on the wall.
a little seductive how I grab that rock. You see that?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, jug. Okay.
I'm done. You should, dude.
Yeah.
Nice hot beer tonight. There we go.
Video really doesn't do justice to how steep this is. We're going this way though.
Look how soaked we are, dude.
We came from way the hell somewhere down there. What'd you say?
I said, look how wet we are.
Yeah, you look pretty dry to me. This looks ugly.
Hey, how's it going down there?
Great.
Ooh, got that sexy hair flip going. Oh, Fabio, is that you?
Corn.
All right, so we made it to the top of the route. Now we just got some thick ass bushwhacking.
I am not happy about it.
It's pretty steep. Connor's not happy about it.
I want to go home. I want to cuddle my pillow. Yes. I want to drink a beer.
Yep.
It's like Linville PTSD. And now I'm jealous of you bringing an extra pair of clothes, Sammy.
Yep, me too.
Yeah. Dude, y'all always do, and I never do. Well,
Beautiful view.
Beautiful view.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, we just came up this. You can't see it, but steep as hell. You can kind of tell right there. Oh, what?
How fucking alpine do we look?
How alpine do we look?
That was some bullshit, dude.
Pack is so dirty. We just made it to the top. About to go bag Celo Knob right now. In the clouds, everything's wet. We are gross.
I feel like I just went through battle,
Yeah, that was hell.
which we did. We were fighting mountain laurels and thickets
Yeah,
and blackberry bushes.
Blackberry bushes with
Yeah.
big ass thorns.
yeah. The route was a little wetter, a little more wet than we thought, so we had to get off trail a little bit, but yeah.
The top was horrible. They said bushwhacking.
The whole fuck.
That's hedge.
The whole what? Huh?
The whole top out section was fucked
That's
up.
what I thought.
3/4. Like, once we got 3/4 up, it just got fucked up. Like, so bad.
Fire.
Oh yeah. Oh, what am I doing? The official summit of Celo Knob. It did not come easily, but we got the sun shining through.
We earned them turns, but
We-
there weren't very many turns.
Dude, we definitely earned those fucking turns.
We could camp up here.
Oh, we're going to.
Right here.
Sorry, anyone that
Anyone object?
what?
Anyone object?
Just got to camp for the night.
I'm so glad I brought my phone.
Yeah, I'm jealous you did.
These dumbasses missed the sunset.
It's still going on.
No, there's no sun.
You're just drunk and don't know what a cloud is.
Hey, show them what we went up. Show them what going on.
We came up that side. Steep as hell.
Bushwhacking the entire time.
Yep.
No trail.
No trail.
Straight through a thicket.
Yep. Came up like. We got the sunset. That's cool.
The chemtrails causing autism. Climb that without a rope.
That shit was, yeah, that was steeper than Yona. Don't you agree?
It definitely was.
No, it's like I would have climbed it without a rope. Y'all are bitches.
Damn.
Look at it through your phone.
I
not-
know. Oh
Rainbow
yeah.
welding glasses. I wonder if that garden place is like a work for stay.
All right, final thoughts on Left Wishbone.
I have cuts all over my hands and feet. Don't want to do it again unless it's winter. No. We saw a guy that did right wishbone with his dog. Don't know how he did with the dog.
Super impressive.